Hi students, how are you? This is N. Srinivas Reddy, JL Commerce, TSW RJC, Hatnora. Students, in this video, I am going to do the problem in retirement of partner. Already I told in the introduction part of the retirement of partner. Here I also we are following the same type of the adjustments, same nature of the entries in the admission of partner. So here there is no confusion here. Some slight difference is there. If you follow the problem, you can understand easily. Here now I am doing the problem, fifth problem in the chapter. Here I will read the problem. If you have not visible it, you can go through the textbook. Here the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati are partners sharing profits and losses in the 3:2:1 ratio respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was under. Here the creditors is 38,000, bills payable is 10,000, general reserve is the 24,000, capital accounts Ganga 80,000, Yamuna 60,000, Saraswati 50,000. Like balance asset side, bank 12,000, debtors 24,000, stock 54,000, furniture 16,000, machinery 70,000, buildings 90,000. Total is the 2,62,000. Here they are giving some adjustments. Here the Saraswati retired from the business on the following conditions. Depreciation, here the retiring partner is the Saraswati. So after completion of the Saraswati, there is only the two partners. Those are the Ganga and Yamuna. So the adjustments here is depreciation on machinery 10% and furniture is 5%. Here the machinery is 70,000. So 70,000 into 10 by 100 is equal to 7,000. And machinery is the machinery here is 70,000 and furniture is the 16,000. 16,000 15% is equal to 2,400. So here the depreciation on machinery is 7,000, depreciation on furniture is the 2,400. Buildings are to be appreciated by 10%. Here the buildings amount is 90,000. So appreciation on 90,000 is 9,000. So here the goodwill values farm is valued 36,000. Write up necessary journal entries, ledger accounts and balance sheet of a new firm. This is the problem, students. They are asking same up to the capital accounts. Here is also we are following the same problem. From the capital accounts onwards, somewhat is changed. All the remaining are same what we have learned in the admission of the partner. So now we are going to write the journal entries. So here we can change the color of the pen. Now I am taking this color. So here the date, first is the date, particulars. Here the LF number, debit rupees, credit rupees. So here the revaluation account, already I told there is the two assets value is decreased and one asset value is increased. To machinery account, to furniture account. So here is 9,400, 7,000, 2,400. In the students, in the previous problem we are writing separately, but here I am writing for all is the same. Here the appreciation is stock account, debtor, buildings account, debtor to revaluation account. So here the stock is 10,000 and buildings is 9,000. Total is 19,000. So here students, appreciation is 19,000 of values as depreciation is 9,400. Next here they are creating the goodwill account debtor to it will distribute three parties, that is the Ganga account to Yamuna account to Saraswati account. So here the creation of goodwill is in the books is 36,000. So it is the ratio is 3:2:2, 2:1, 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. So here they are creating the goodwill. They are not written off it, that's why it will show on the asset side of the balance sheet. Next we can write for the entries general reserve. General reserve account debtor to, it is also same, Ganga account to Yamuna account to Saraswati account. So here the general reserve is 24,000. So it distributed among the three is 12,000, 8,000, 4,000. In the above is mistakenly it is 18,000, it is 12,000, it is 6,000 because it is a 36,000. So next is revaluation account. So already the diagram is there, the forma is there. Here the two assets is increased, that is by stock account. Stock account is the 10,000, by buildings account 9,000, here to machinery account. Machinery account is the 7,000, to furniture account is 2,400. So this is the only. Now we are tallying it or balancing it. So difference the two sides is the 9,600. So this amount will be distributed among three partners: Ganga account to Ganga Yamuna account to Saraswati account. So the amount is 3:2:1. So here 4,800, 3,200, 1,600. So it is the revaluation accounts. Next is the now the goodwill account. So here we will write the all the data. Now goodwill account, particulars, total rupees, particulars, total rupees. So in the debit side to Ganga account to Yamuna account to Saraswati account. So it is 18,000, 12,000, 6,000. So here the balance is 36,000. So it will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Like balance sheet. Next is the capital accounts. So here Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, rupees, 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 rupees. Here the by balance. First is the by balance, that is 80,000, 60,000, 50,000. By revaluation account 4,800, 3,200, 1,600. By goodwill, that is 18,000, 12,000. Next is 6,000. By general reserve, that is 12,000, 8,000, 4,000. So these are the figures, students. Now we are totaling the 1,14,800, 83,200. Next is 60,600. $60,600, 83,200, 1,14,800. Students, now these Saraswati is withdrawn from business. That's why the amount either we pay or we will convert this 60,600 into our loan accounts. Here we are not paying the cash to her. That's why we are converting this 60,600 into our loan account. To loan account 60,600 to balance 1,48,000, 83,200. So this is the capital account. Next we are going to balance sheet. So here liabilities rupees, total rupees. Assets rupees, total rupees. Here the bank is 12,000. Next debtors is 24,000. Next is stock. Here the stock is 50,000. Add appreciation 10,000. It means 60,000. Furniture is 16,000 less depreciation 2,400 remaining amount is 13,600. Machinery, here the machinery is 70,000 less depreciation 7,000, balance is 60,000. Buildings, here the buildings amount is 90,000, add appreciation 9,000, total is 99,000. Next one is goodwill. So here we are creating the goodwill, not written off it, that's why it will shown in the balance sheet. Here the creditors is 38,000. Bills payable, here the bills payable is 10,000. Saraswati loan is 61,600. Capitals, Ganga, Yamuna, here the Ganga is 1,14,800. 1,98,000. So here the total is 3,07,600. 3,07,600. So students, so the slight difference here is only up to the capital accounts we are doing the same for admission or the retirement, but only the at the time of the capital accounts we have changed those who are retired from the partnership, their amount will be converted to our loan account, or if we are paying the cash, we are showing that amount at the cash. If we are paying some cash, that remaining amount convert to their loan account. Thank you.